bird hops along a branch. Once it looks for insects to eat, the bird looks like a rainbow with wings. A rainbow bird lives in a warm, wet Amazon rainforest. Other colorful birds live where too. A blue bird, a red, blue, and yellow bird lives in the rainforest. Its sharp-looked beak and crack open nuts. Brah, brah. It shuts has it zooms through the trees. The bird is big as giraffe. The bird lives in the rainforest. It sits on a tall tree and watches with dark eyes. Yeah, it cries. Was it dives into green leaves to catch a small monkey. It used its big bold beak to pick fruit. Creak, creak. It grows as it flaps from branch to branch. Homer lives in the rainforest. It scoops up and tests as it flies. Wow! It cries. As it opens a fan of colorful feathers on its head. A yellow, red, and black bird lives in a forest. It eats some berries and then it dances on a branch. Yep, it was so sad. It flips its tail. An orange bird lives in a rainforest. Its feathers are a squatty squawk, silky squawk,
Cloak.
silky cloak, awa. It calls as it looks for throat food. A forest is April's the forest floor. Beep beep. It calls. It snaps up and tests. The white baby bird lives in a rainforest. While other birds sleep, it opens its yellow eyes. Hoo-hoo cries its mother as he hunts mice and frogs in the violet hunt.
Night.